how to fast forward a video in CapCut. So if you want to speed up a fragment of the video or maybe a full video, I'm going to show you how you can do this using the CapCut app. Let's get started. Firstly, just open up the app. No matter you're using an Android phone or an iOS device, it will be all the same. Now, once the app is opened, click Edit in the bottom left and tap New Project. Now you're going to choose video you wish to fast forward. I'm going to tap on this one and click Add. So, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the timeline here and then swipe left till we can see the speed option. Tap on that. And now you have a choice. You can tap on normal speed and this will speed up the whole video. So you can tap, for example, I can tap 3x speed and the video will be shortened up, as you can see, and it will be a lot faster. But if you want to speed up just the one fragment, for example, then you can do this as well. Tap on speed, tap on curve, and you will see many options for speeding up your videos. You can use the jump cut for smooth transitions, and it will look something like that. As you can see, part is slow down, part is fast turned, so you can just use this one. Also, you can tap here and manage which fragment will be in the normal speed and which one will be speed up. And also you can tap on the custom. Also click here, not this fragment. Let's use this one, tap on custom, and you can manually choose parts which will be speed up. Also you can slow down something if you just drag the dot down like that. And let's check what we did. So this is normal speed, now it's speed up, slow down, and again normal speed. Also you can tap here and you can tap faster process or better quality instead of smooth slow-mo. Tap on the check mark and play again to see the result. And yep, then just tap on the export. Also you can remove this part with the CapCut watermark. Just tap here, click delete. And now tap on export. Just in a few seconds, this video will be saved to your gallery. So go ahead and find it in the gallery. And yep, this is the result. So that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.